I'm making another video this week. There's ads in the mobile version. Okay. But I wanted to make another video because I'm going on vacation next week. I might post again in like 2 days because I'm going to go see some of my family and they said they want to be in a video, so you might see me post a lot this week. I don't know. But this game is called The Baby in Yellow. I think it's where like you have to babysit a child. I don't know, someone said it was wholesome, so hopefully it is. Okay, the sitter, it's time for bed. The child, is that what you think? Okay then. We gonna start? Okay, here's the baby. I got the baby. Feed the baby. Get bottle from fridge. Where's the fridge? Open door. Wait, can I like eat it? Yeet. I'm a bad baby. I'm gonna set you on the oven. Yep, it's not on. You're fine. Open door. Pick up the bottle. Feed baby. Take baby to changing table. Why? Why are you smiling at me like that? Yeet the demon baby. I should not be a babysitter. Why are you smiling at me like that? Can I? No. Don't smile at me, weirdo. Okay. Drop. Pick up nappy. The baby? How'd you get over there? Change baby. Okay, now it's sad. I'm sorry, child. Yeah, I got it right. Wait, maybe? I did. Yeet. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Why is that so low? Turn light out. Night, child. Ew, its eyes glow. Okay. Goodbye. What's in here? Locked. Okay. Watch TV on the sofa. I'm gonna go. Okay, where's the? Okay, there's the sofa. Sit on the sofa. We're here on the sofa. Purple. We're up. I heard the baby crying. We gotta go settle the baby, so we're gonna go up the stairs. Why the heck is the door open? No, child! Where is the baby? Where is the baby? You look like a demon. Okay, we're gonna put you to bed. Stop smiling. Oh, I'm gonna yeet you down the stairs. Yeet. Oh. How did that not hurt? Okay, this is an invincible baby. Bunk. It's an invincible baby. Get in there. Let me watch TV in peace. Gonna go watch some TV on the sofa. Oh. Do. Let me check if it's still recording. Yes, it is good. Night 2. The child laughing. Look, isn't it funny? The sitter, I told you not to do that. The Baby in Yellow, Act 2, Scene 1. Okay, I thought it was a baby. Why can't it talk? I don't think it can talk. Where is the chat? Why is there a key? I don't think I need it. I don't even know where the baby is. Let me get the baby out of bed first. Hi, child. Okay. I can. Oh. Where's the child? Okay, whatever. I'll get the bottle from the fridge. Turn the light on. Okay, I'm gonna set that on the stove. Give bottle to baby. I don't know where the baby is. Okay. I guess he came to me. You're weird. Take baby to... Why do you always have to take a crap right after I feed you? Where is the changing table anyways? I forgot. Oh. I swear, if you move again... What? No, why is... Oh, no, now the diaper moved. Where is it? Oh. Crouch, I can crouch. Diaper under the bed. I don't see it. Whoa, wait. Oh. What is that? What is a talesman? I don't know what a talesman is. Okay, but whatever. Where is the child? The wrong way. Change, baby. That was a very fast day. Stop smiling at me. You're creepy. Creepy. Oh. I can't move my screen. Okay, now I can. What was that? Child. Still don't know what that key was for, but just for that, I'm gonna... Demon baby. Okay, we're gonna... Okay, you better not get out of bed, or I swear. Here, I can't turn that on. See ya later. Watch TV on the sofa. Why is there a smiley face now? I don't think that was there last time. Chill out, watch TV on the sofa. Yup. Okay, we fall asleep. Night 3. Oop. Good night, sweet dreams. I will show you my dreams. I don't think I want to see your dreams. It's the sitter. The child. Okay. Watch TV on... Oh, well, I don't have to... Oh, come on. What the heck? My voice glitched. How does my voice glitch? Okay, go upstairs and settle, baby. Okay, hi, child. At least you didn't move. You're creepy. Don't smile at me like that. Don't smile. Oh, no! Don't leave me in a room alone with that child. Buy something to eat, perhaps a cheese toasty. I just wanted to eat something. I haven't ate in 2 days. Okay, I'll feed baby. Wrong way. Okay. Hopefully the owner has insurance. Gonna go walk backwards so I don't get jump scared. Never mind. And now I'm gonna freeze to death. Huh? Here you go. You're weird. Wrong way. I'm not going back in there. Oops, I dropped the child. Don't look at me like that. I just dropped you. The Lake of, Hail, a Visitor's Guide. I don't know what that is. Take baby to changing table. Bloop. I'm scared to show you. What the heck? Oh, get the tailman from upstairs. Okay. Don't know what that is. What? What? Oh yeah, this thing. Do I need to use that? Exercise the baby? Oh yeah, hi, welcome to our exorcism. This is number 37. Here we go. It just got flung. Take baby to bed. Okay, I don't care that I got the demon out of you. You should be thankful. Come here. Come. Okay. Up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs. Oh! I thought I got the demon out of you. Child? Oh, the lights are flickering. That's great. Oh. When did the ceiling become so high? Oh, well, okay. The Illuminati can take you. I don't really care. Good night. I don't really know what to say to that. That was actually a pretty good game. I know this video was kind of short, but the game was a quick, short, little game. I liked it. It was cool. We had a demon baby, and I can say that was not wholesome. I will see you guys later. Bye.